Good morning, guys. It is Sunday here in the Philippines. I'm actually going to walk down right now. I got to walk down and get a globe load for Louisa. She's over at the store right now. Got to get a globe load so she can sell more clothes. But anyways, I'm up here on MacArthur. I usually go down here outside JJ's. There's a place right here that will do the load. So anyways, you guys check out the little stroll down MacArthur here. Or not MacArthur, my bad. Down Fields Avenue, whatever you want to call it. Don Chuco, whatever. A nice little breeze today. The sun's out. Some clouds in the sky. Ship Jeepney Terminal. No, I've never been in any of these stores here. Walked by them a million times, but never went into any of them. Out the exchange rate, 51.85. 51.85. Usually goes down on the weekend, so maybe during the week it'll jump up to 52. Yeah, 51.85. Still a good rate, very good rate. Hello. Freelance Park has turned into a little, I don't know, they turned it into like a flea market. That never changes through here. Only the names on the buildings. Here's a little place I go right here to get E-load. Alright guys, I'm bored, so I figured I'd go for a walk. Walk into a new area here that I haven't been at. Right here is Times Square, I call it. This is where all the action happens all day long. People coming from straight ahead, turning left or right. We're going to go left. Walked up that way, walked down that way. Of course, our store is down that way. So we're gonna head down this way, see what's down here. Yeah, just sitting there. Like I said, bored. So it's nice out. It's not too hot. Got a nice little wind going. I figured we'd take a walk down here. Walk this new area I've never walked before. Check it out. Hello, hello. There's a barber shop there. Hello. Check out some of the houses down here. Some of the other stores. Internet cafe. There's a laundry. Hello. There's a laundry shop right there. Brian, what's your name?
Russell.
Russell. Howdy. Oh. Market there. Hello. Yeah, we'll see what's down here. Got these kids here climbing around. Hi. Another little store. Everybody's selling something. Hello.
What is that? What are you doing?
What am I doing? Filming.
Filming.
YouTube.
Are you a blogger?
Yes, I'm a blogger.
Yeah. What is your name?
Philly in the Philippines.
Huh?
Philly in the Philippines.
Like, I love watching YouTube.
You watch YouTube?
Yeah, I really love those bloggers.
Yeah.
But Filipino.
Oh, Filipino vloggers?
May I know again your name?
My name is Brian.
Brian, what in your YouTube?
Philly in the Philippines.
Philly in the Philippines.
Yes.
Okay, I will see your.
I'm a local. I live here. I'm a local vlogger.
Ah, okay.
You gonna check it out?
Yeah, I will check it out.
Are you gonna subscribe?
Yeah, sure.
Great.
Philly in the Philippines.
Yes. PhillyinthePhilippines in the Philippines.
My name is Mabalacat.
Nice to meet you. There you go. Picked up a subscriber, maybe. Want a recliner? There's a recliner out here. In need of major repair. Birds over there. Little parakeets, it looks like. All right, we got some music, so we got to talk so we don't get a strike on the music. Hello. Hello.
This is picture.
What's your name?
RG.
RG? What's your name?
Rain.
What's your name? What's your name?
Mara.
Nice to meet you guys.
You, what's your name?
Brian.
Oh.
Yes. Apartment for rent. Hello.
Is that video?
Video, yes. It's an abandoned house there. You know, people don't have razor wire to go around their wall. They shove jars of glass. I don't know if you can see it, but they got glass all along the top of the wall there. Yeah, they do that too. Hello. 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 I've never been back this way. No need to come back this way unless I want to do a walk. Quiet back in here. I don't want to walk down that road. I think this is as far as I'll walk. Quiet back in here. Alright, time to head back. Hey, let's take a stroll down this street here. See what's going on down this street. Sunday, so things are quiet. Room for rent. Ladies only. Hello.
Hello, sir. You are?
Now, would I walk these streets at night? I don't know, probably not. These are nice apartments here. These are nice here. Nice apartment. One little carport. Don't know if it's upstairs and downstairs. Almost looks like 2 apartments upstairs and 2 or 3 apartments downstairs. Look nice though. Hello. People just enjoying their Sunday. Playing cards, hanging out, sitting around. Kids on their bicycles. Nice little store there. Glass front. People washing clothes. House for sale. Wonder what these houses run in here. Little kitty right there, sneaking out from underneath, sneaking back in. It's just a peaceful Sunday here. Quiet. A little swimming pool going on there. Kids are chilling. Sorry stores. Nice looking place here. I think that might be somebody's house. I think this one is somebody's house. Those probably apartments. Yeah. Hello? Yeah, streets are dead. I don't know what time it is, like 4 o'clock, something like that. Alright, let's head back. Hello? Let's head back to the store. Nice little walk. See the neighborhood, see what's new, or see new parts of the neighborhood. Alright guys, I'm going to wrap this one up. Kind of a boring day today, so that's why I went for a walk. It's Sunday. It's actually nice out. The sun wasn't hot, the humidity wasn't high, the power's back on, the fan is on. But yeah, it was just kind of a lazy day. I got a lot going on this week. Tuesday I got to go to the, where'd I got to go? San Fernando to the NBI, National Bureau of, what is it? National Bureau of Investigation?
Yes.
And do a report, an NBI report. In other words, they're going to run a background check on me, make sure I'm good to go. Not wanted for anything here in the Philippines. That's the first thing I need to get done for my 13A. I starting that process, the second part, and then I'll be a full-time permanent resident. So I got that going on. Lut on Wednesday has to go get her passport. She has an interview and set up to go for her passport up at Marquee Mall. She's getting a new passport with her married name on it, and she needs that so I can get my 13A, because they are asking for a valid, up-to-date, current passport. So we got that going on. And tomorrow, Lut's challenge is going to happen. A challenge I was talking about that we got to do. We're going to do that tomorrow. We already said we're going to do that. And Liberty, I don't know, where is Liberty? She was sleeping all day. Earlier when I got here, she was playing, and she was definitely out of control. But I don't know. Oh, there she is. She is in the bathroom. And she is eating. Let me turn the light on. There she is. Liberty. Yeah. She just woke up, so I know she's going to be full of energy here real soon. So we'll leave her be, because I think she is going into her litter box. So we'll let her do her business in peace. But anyways, tomorrow is another day. The journey continues, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.